Hello everyone.
Last week, the Sunday Independent published part 1 of the State Security Report after the Supreme Court of Appeal overturned a 2022 High Court ruling preventing independent media from publishing a report dated November 5, 2020, titled Top Secret U.S. Interest in ANC Party Dynamics, commissioned by U.S. intelligence operating at the country's offices in Pretoria. Among those who were targeted by the U.S. spies were Jacob Zuma, Ace Magashule, Carl Niehaus, and many others, including former ANC Youth League leaders. The report stated, "The purpose of this intelligence brief is to inform the Minister and Deputy Minister of the State Security Agency of the extent of the United States collection efforts and outputs regarding the political dynamics of the ANC, specifically in relation to developments regarding ANC Secretary General Ace Magashule and his perceived anti-President Cyril Ramaphosa positioning." The U.S. National Security Strategy has mandated U.S. intelligence formations to identify and assess capabilities, activities, and intentions of states and non-state entities, and to develop a deep understanding of the strategic environment and to warn of future developments on issues. As such, the political office of the U.S. Embassy in Tshwane continues to gather information related to the ruling party, which is then sent to the U.S. State Department. The report stated that its political office at the U.S. Embassy in Pretoria concluded that Magashule was galvanizing his supporters in anticipation of his arrest for corruption. This is in addition to the defiance of the Zondo Commission by former President Jacob Zuma, which forms part of the broader anti-Ramaphosa faction strategy to protect both Zuma and Magashule. This brief confirms that the U.S. Embassy is part of the U.S. intelligence community and has a network of ANC party officials who wittingly or unwittingly share privileged information. The Free State, ANC, and ANC Youth League are leading efforts to defend Magashule and will exploit his possible arrest to launch a campaign to have President Ramaphosa removed as the ANC president at the next election General Council. In addition, the Free State ANC Youth League is being leveraged by Magashule to garner public sympathy as a victim of political purging by President Ramaphosa. The Free State ANC Youth League is lobbying other provinces to support their efforts in this regard. It was assessed that the KwaZulu-Natal and ANC provincial chairperson and current premier of KwaZulu-Natal, Sihle Zikalala, will not support Magashule's efforts to divide the ANC and weaken President Ramaphosa. It was not clear how the U.S. Embassy assessed and concluded that Zikalala would not support the so-called plan to weaken Ramaphosa. The report said the Free State ANC Youth League provincial leadership was recently disbanded, and the group that is currently purporting to be leaders of the ANC Youth League are merely a rented crowd who are protecting an individual. The National Office of the ANC Youth League respects the rule of law and will not support any ANC leaders accused of corruption, including Magashule. Pro-Magashule business people from the Free State, not identified, are coordinating support for both Magashule and Zuma, have funded structures such as Umkhonto we Military Veterans Association and ANC Women's League. The ANC Youth League was invited by former ANC spokesperson Carl Niehaus to join a campaign to support Magashule. The Secret Intelligence Report also stated that a controversial business person with links to Magashule furnished the Free State ANC Youth League with 2.8 million rand early in 2020 to fund their operations. It further stated that former President Zuma and Magashule met regularly in Durban, KwaZulu-Natal to strategize and consolidate their campaign to weaken the Zondo Commission and President Ramaphosa. Their strategy is to delay the work of the Commission until it runs out of time without cross-examining Zuma and Magashule. This campaign is coordinated and led by key Zuma allies, including Carl Niehaus and former Minister of Environmental Affairs. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.